Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today on Sunday. We don't have newspapers on Sunday, so I will continue with the additional of yesterday's newspaper of Saturday, March the 27th, 2021. In this additional, there are 8 extra Sudokus. 4 I have already solved. This one is a hard one, a tectonic and a binary. Yes. So today on Sunday I will do the 1 star, the 2 stars, tectonic, and a binary one. So 4 Sudokus I will solve, and the first one is a Sudoku with 1 star. Yes, 1 star. And this Sudoku will be number 2543. 2543. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Yes, the total printed digits in this Sudoku with 1 star are 27. The 1 star has always 27 printed digits, 2 stars 26, 3 stars 25, and the 4 stars 24. Alright, so let's get started. I see here in this column 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers in this column are the 8 and the 7. We have an 8 and a 7 in this big square. So no 8 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. The 8 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. We see there's 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 8 goes there. Alright. Then. How about... Let me see. How about these 2 boxes in this column? We have here 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, and the 9 is missing. The 4 and the 9 in this column. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. All right. And now, let me see. Yeah. We see a 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, or there. We see here 1, we see there 1. So no 1 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Okay. Then 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 6 should be there. 4 in this column. 4. No. I need... Okay. 2 in this column. First column. 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 2 should be there. Then... Yeah. I'm scanning. 3 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 9 is missing, and the 6 is missing. We see here the 1 and the 9 in this row. So no 1 and the 9 in this box. The 1 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 6. So we have 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here. Oh, there. We see there 6. No 6 there. 6 should be there. Okay. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers... let me think. The 2. Yes, the 2. The 2 is missing in this big square. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. There 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2, should be there. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1, should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 9. Oh, alright. Okay. Let me continue. These 3 missing numbers are... the 4 is missing, the 5 is missing, and the 7 is missing. I see here the 7 and the 4. So no 7 and 4 in this box. The 7 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left in this big square for the number 5. 1 box left in this row. We have a 7 and 4 there. In this row, we need a 5 there. Alright. 2 missing numbers in the last row. 1, 2. The 3 and the 9 are missing. 3 and a 9. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 8. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. So we have a 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 2 boxes left in the third column. 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9. 3 and the 9 are missing. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing here. 6 is missing in this big square. We see here 6, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 8. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this first column for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. 5 and 8. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing, and a 4 is missing. 3 and a 4. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then. Okay. Nine in this row, 9 in the third row, so in the row between. The second row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Alright. Then 2 numbers left in the second row for the numbers 3 and 6. 6 or 3. We see here 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 3 goes there. All right. So we have a 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in the third row. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. 6, 7, and the 8. 5 and the 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 5 goes there. So we have an 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between, the middle column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8's are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. Alright. Alright. Then. How about a 6 in the third row? 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6's are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6, alright. 1 number left in this big square for the number 7. 1 number left. No, 2 numbers left. And now we have a 7 there. This box cannot be 7 anymore. So that box should be a 7. And this box should be a 4. Alright. 1 number left in the middle column for the number 9. 9 is missing. Yes. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9's are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last column for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So in the row between, the only place for the 1 should be there. And all the 1's are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 1. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can't be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. All right. And all the 3's are used. I can see. Digit number 5, number 3. All right. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing, and the 7 is missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku. I like this One Star Sudoku. Yes. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the 2 stars Sudoku. See you later. Bye-bye for now.